So in this Ziploc, we got some maple jack bacon curing in here. If you want, shoot me a message and I'll give you my recipe. But this is going to be absolutely delicious. Let's get in the smoker. Alrighty, folks. Got our bacon inside the Weber, smoking away. Gonna have to keep an eye on the temperature. Still climbing a little bit. We want it to get to around 200 degrees and it's gonna stabilize there. Got a whack load of smoke pouring out of this bad boy. And we are gonna get this bacon going very soon. Let's see, tighten that up just a little bit more. Slow down the heat. We're going to keep on going until we reach an internal temperature of 150 degrees. Look at that smoke pour out there, boys. Oh man, this is going to be good. Alright, just a quick update. We're almost there. 7 more degrees to go for the internal temperature. And we're still in that 200-250 degree safe zone. So we're doing good. We're almost there. Alright guys, we've reached 150 degrees, so let's have a look and see what we got. Take the thermometer out of there. Here we go guys, nice beautifully smoked slab of bacon. Smoked with apple wood. Some nice peppercorn on top. Oh, smoke's getting me. Nice peppercorn on top. Oh, there we go. Take the lid off, add that oxygen, and wow, does it ever heat up quick. Look at that.